Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 settings app not opening or crashing problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search menu and type a app settings. Type a settings, right click, go to your app settings. After that, go down and click on repair. After that, click on reset. Now after doing this step, open up settings, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that press a Control Alt and Delete button. Go to your task manager, and after doing this step, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on Restart. Okay, that after that close it. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the press a Control Alt and Delete button. Click on Task Manager, and after that click on File, Run New Task, and after that type a PowerShell. Sorry, file, new file task. Make sure that create this task with the administrative privileges. Type a PowerShell and click on OK to continue. After that, copy first command from video description, and after that paste it and press enter. After that, copy the second command from video description, copy and paste it. After completing that, type a exit and exit it, close it, and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.